Hi everyone, my name is Eunice Del Rosario from Engineering 1A and I'm here to answer these few questions for our reflection video. Number 1. What significant inspiration moved you to understand and embrace the importance of this Dominican formation in your chosen field of endeavor and your personal life? For me, I was inspired by the dedication of Saint Dominic and the Dominican saints to truth, prayer, and service. Their lives remind me that pursuing excellence in my chosen field should, should always go hand in hand with a living life of faith and integrity. This formation encourages me to approach my studies, work, and personal life with purpose, guided by values that honor God and serve others. For question number 2, which among the pillars of Dominican life provides support to your life? Which pillar could be strengthened throughout your stay in the college? For me, the pillar of prayer and contemplation provides me the most support because it reminds me to seek God's guidance in every decision and situation. I find strength and peace when I decided to time to reflect and connect with God. The pillar that I hope to strengthen during my stay is community life, as I continue learning to collaborate, serve, and build meaningful relationships with others while living out Dominican values. For the third question, how do how do these experiences, encounters in this lesson strengthen your relationship with God and your mission to share it with others? These experiences encourage me to deepen my relationship with God through prayer, study, and action. Learning about Dominican spirituality show me how faith and reason can work together to serve God and others. It inspires me to live with integrity, compassion, and purpose and to share with these values with those around me. Through teaching, service, or simply by being a witness of God's love in my everyday life. Yun lang.